Welcome to the Mi for All channel and another exciting Xiaomi product. We are going to have a closer look at the Mi 4A Smart TV. I have the chance to use the 43-inch model for a few weeks now, and I can say one thing, its characteristics and functions are just stunning. This smart TV offers full HD resolution and utilizes a very high-quality panel which has a viewing angle of 178 degrees. Comes with a quad-core CPU, 2GB DDR4 RAM, 32GB internal storage. So gaming, watching movies and checking your Facebook profile will be an easy task for this performance-oriented hardware. Integrated, you count on 2 stereo speakers, 6 watts each. Connectivity can be done in many ways: Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, HDMI, Ethernet and USB. Everything is located on the back side of the pane. There are playback options for almost anything. And if you're keen on getting Kodi installed, you will have access to an ultimate multimedia experience. Because the 4A TV is mainly sold in China, it doesn't come with multi-language operating system. Instead, we have to either operate in Chinese, a kind of difficult, or enable the English menus. Let me quickly guide you through the installation process. You need to simply copy this file on a USB, connect it to the TV and just install it. The file you may find in the description below. Follow the steps together with me so that you know what and where to press. After a few seconds, it is all done. Just go to the settings, choose English as a language, and you see, easy and effective. It is not going to turn every single menu in English, but you have the main sections covered. The Chinese bloatware is in fact not too bad. There are tons of free movies and catalogs with content, something we don't easily get access to. Some of them might be removed and uninstalled from the settings menu. I've already done multiple attempts to get Google Play Store operational without any luck, unfortunately. This will leave you without Google Play, without Google Services Framework, without YouTube, unless you download a modified version of the app, and the link you may also find in the description. As for apps, you could install almost anything. It just has to be downloaded, not via Google Play Store apparently. So that is the Mi 4A TV, a powerful smart TV with stunning display and lots of features. Currently offered at 32 and 43-inch versions with a good discount offered via the affiliate links below. Stay tuned for our next reviews, and in the meanwhile, make sure to subscribe, say hi and like this video. Thanks a lot!